Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, you can write this from a raised to power m minus n, same thing as a raised to power n over a raised to power n. That is, here this becomes 5 raised to power x over 5 squared equals to 30 on this side. The next step, can write this as 5 raised to power x over 5 squared 5 times 5, that's 25, and equals to, here we can write this as 30 over 1. The next step here, we cross multiply, that is 5 raised to power x times 1, same thing as 5 raised to power x, equals to 30 times 25 here. That is, next step, we take the log on both sides. Here we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 30 times 25. Then from here, we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, is same thing as p log m. This here we have x log 5 equals to log 30 times 25. The next step, here we divide both side by log 5. Divide this side by log 5. Also divide this side by log 5. That this here log 5 cancel each other. We have x equals to log 30 times 25 over log 5. Then here this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, is same thing as log a plus log b. As this here we have x equals to log 30 plus log 25 over log 5. That is, next step here, we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 30 over log 5 plus log 25 over log 5. Then from here, we can write 25 as 5 times 5, that's 5 squared. And we have x equals to log 30 over log 5 plus log 25 over log 5, which is 5 square here. Then we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes here, and we have x equals to log 30 over log 5 plus 2 log 5 over log 5. Then here, log 5 cancel each other. What we have becomes x equals to log 30 over log 5 plus 2. That is, next step also, 30 can be written as 5 times 6, which becomes x equals to log 5 times 6 over log 5 plus 2. Then we apply the law of logarithm here as well. We have x equals to log 5 plus log 6 over log 5 plus 2. Then here, separate this into two fractions, and we have x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 6 over log 5 plus 2. That is, Next step here, we have log 5 cancel each other here. One left here, that is x equals to 1 plus log 6 over log 5 plus 2. And here we have 1 plus 2, that's 3. This becomes x equals to 3 plus log 6 over log 5. The next step here, 6 can be written as 2 times 3. Then what we have here becomes x equals to 3 plus log 2 times 3 over log 5. Then this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 plus log 3 over log 5. Then we separate this into two fractions, and we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. That is, next step here, we apply change of base when we have log a over log b, which is the same thing as log a to base b. Then what we have here becomes x equals to 3 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. That is the value of x here. We have 3 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Then let's check here. If this satisfies this given formula, that is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 3 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. This, all we have here becomes 5 raised to power 3 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 is 5 minus 2 here. Is it equals to 30 on this side? That is, from here, we have 3 minus 2, that's 1. This same thing as 5 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Is it equals to 30 on this side? That is, apply the law of indices here when we have a raised to power n plus n, which is the same thing as a raised to power n, then a raised to power n. That is, here we have 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5. This is equals to 30 on this side. Then 5 raised to power 1, same thing as 5, 10 times. This follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a is equals to b. This here we have 2 times 3 is equals to 30 on this side. And here 5 times 2, 10 times 3, 30, then equals to 30 from here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that x equals to 3 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comment. And see you next class. Bye for now.